The Merciful continues the N.J. Dawood translation of all Quran. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. And Psalm 136 of the Old Testament is the closest, but Old Testament is not the right term, Tanakh, because Ketubim, that section, just like Nebiim and Torah, were not supposed, weren't intended as like an Old Testament. And the Christian position, if you look at from the Bible, is that it's supposed to be restored, plahrose, not done away with, restored, refurbished. In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful. It is the Merciful who has taught Al Quran. He created man and taught him articulate speech. The sun and the moon pursue their ordered course. The plants and the trees bow down in adoration. He raised the heaven on high and set the balance of all things, that you might not transgress that balance. Give just weight in full measure. He laid the earth for his creatures, with all its fruit, and blossom-bearing palm, chaff-covered grain, and scented herbs. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? He created man from potter's clay and the jinn from smokeless fire. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? The Lord of the two easts is he, and the Lord of the two wests. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? He has let loose the two oceans. They meet one another, yet between them stands a barrier which they cannot overrun. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Pearls and corals come from both. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? His are the ships that sail like mountains upon the ocean. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? All that lives on earth is doomed to die, but the face of your Lord will abide forever in all its majesty and glory. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? All who dwell in heaven and earth entreat him. Each day some mighty task engages him. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Mankind and jinn, we shall surely find the time to judge you. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Mankind and jinn, if you have the power to penetrate the confines of heaven and earth, then penetrate them. But this you shall not do except with our own authority. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Flames of fire shall be lashed at you, and molten brass, there shall be none to help you. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? When the sky splits asunder and reddens like a rose, our stained leather, which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? On that day neither man nor Jenny will be asked about his sins. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? The wrongdoers will be known by their looks, and they shall be seized by their forelocks and their feet. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? That is the hell which the sinners deny. They shall wander between fire and water, fiercely seething. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? But for those that fear the majesty of their Lord, there are two gardens. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Planted with shady trees. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Each is watered by a flowing spring. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Each bears every kind of fruit and pears. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? They shall recline on couches lined with thick brocade, and within reach will hang the fruits of both gardens. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Therein are bashful virgins, whom neither man nor genie will have touched before. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Virgins as fair as corals and rubies. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Shall the reward of goodness be anything but good? Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? And besides these, there shall be two other gardens. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Of darkest green, which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? A gushing fountain shall flow in each. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Each planted with fruit trees, the palm and the pomegranate. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? In each there shall be virgins chaste and fair. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Dark-haired virgins sheltered in their tents. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Whom neither man nor genie will have touched before. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? They shall recline on green cushions and fine carpets. Which of your Lord's blessings would you deny? Blessed be the name of your Lord, the Lord of majesty and glory. Now, some seas were kept separate because, there was land in between. Now there's not. The salt water and the fresh water remain, the pressure and stuff means that there's going to remain a body of salt water and a fresh water. I mean, where they merge, you get estuaries and stuff like that, but you still end up with these two bodies of water, that sort of thing. And this verse said 31 times. I mean, there's other stuff we can get into. Some verses have wider meaning than what we're looking at. There are 31 verses in Al-Quran that mention jinn, the fire beings, the Davas, the Asuras, the Thari, whatever you want to call them. Fallen angels, of course, people have issue with fallen. And I mean, the Malaka or the unfallen angels are a different type of thing than the jinn. So if I talk about fallen angels, I'm not talking, but in English, some confusion and stuff arises, right? But this chapter and the next chapter are the only chapters are they're sort of a pair in that they address both the clay beings and the fire beings.